Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're gonna talk about the main big differences between my old and original telekinesis technique and the new telekinesis method I've been practicing for a few months now. Differences when it comes to learning, executing, and strength. First of all, I am not that experienced yet, so obviously I don't have the same strength like with my original telekinesis method. But let's assume you are very experienced in both techniques. Let's say you've been doing that for over 10 years, both methods for 10 years each. Which method is stronger? Well, it depends. You can do telekinesis on an object way quicker because you don't have to get connected. You don't need to build this connection to an object. But with this connection from the first telekinesis method, I think you can do stronger telekinesis. But those are just theories, so don't take my word for it. You definitely can do telekinesis to a new object way faster with a new method. You see an object, you do your movement, and you just imagine and picture how it's moving, and then it happens. I've seen it happen on others, not on myself yet. I'm not there yet. I think when it comes to learning either method, I think that none of those methods are easier to learn. But I do think that all of us have a certain talent in one of those methods. I think me particular, my talent is more towards my technique. I am a very emotional person. I have a lot of love to give, and I love to receive love. And because of that, I think my original method, the guru method, is easier to learn for me. Not for everybody, just for me. But if you are a more so analytical person, a creative person, someone who likes to draw, likes to pursue art, and likes to analyze things, likes to overthink, then the new method might be for you. Which method is better? I think it's pretty clear to say they're equally good, equally great. Which is more fun? I think it's very, very much fun to learn a new technique. It's a lot of fun to learn a new method. But what should you do now? Which method should you practice? Should you do just one? Or the other one? Or both? Well, if I were you, I would look deep inside of you. Search within your soul. And then you'll know which method suits you better. You will know. Nobody could tell you. I could give you some advice, suggest what you could do. But in the end, you have to make this decision by yourself. If you're emotional like me, do the first method, the guru method. If you're more analytical, second. And after a few months or years practicing and you have no result, maybe it's the other method which is good for you. Experiment. Learning one method is not gonna hurt your progress in the other method. More so, it could support each other. It's like learning how to ride on a skateboard or learning how to ride a bike. Learning how to ride a bike is not gonna hurt your progress when it comes to skateboarding, and vice versa. More so, you're gonna learn more balance either way. And it's very similar when it comes to telekinesis. So I hope that was helpful. I tried to answer as many questions as I could in this video because I've been reading your guys' questions, but it's so many questions. I don't have the time to answer all of them. So I try to write them out and answer them in those videos. I hope you'll understand. Equally with those emails. If I don't answer to your emails, it doesn't mean I don't read them. It doesn't mean that I want to ignore you. I just take those questions and take them in my videos so everybody can learn from them. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.